Good evening, Robert Scribbler filming north and east from Jeanette's Pier. It's some beautiful waves getting their tops blown off here with some strong westerly winds, west-northwesterly winds blowing in here in the range of about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Wave heights here at the pier in the range of 2 to 3 foot, possibly some 4-footers on the sets. North side of the pier, which I'm filming now, getting better swell conditions and waves lining up better on the north side than on the south side. As you can see from this video, I'm about 30 feet up, so that's going to compress the wave heights and make them look smaller. And then looking over at the south side, we've got some waves rolling in here as well on the sets. Still pretty beautiful right now. Larger waves this morning, but with those westerly winds, waves kind of starting to get blown out, and so the conditions getting smaller throughout the evening and into tonight, and looking forward to some small glassy conditions tomorrow. But nonetheless, a very gorgeous evening tonight with these majestic waves rolling in with their tops getting blown off, and with that low angle of the sun, sometimes you can see some rainbows in the spray. I'm just enjoying this right now. Okay, so let's get to the observations from the buoys, the wave monitors. I gotta back up here and grab my clipboard and get my info for you guys. Okay, so right now at Nag's Head, oh, that's not the right one. Have to turn the page. Sorry about the camera angle here. Okay, there we go. Right now at Nag's Head, waves in the range of 2 to 3 foot with some 4-footers on the sets. Primary swell coming in from the southeast. You can see the angle of that swell very clearly here from the top of the pier. Swell coming in from the southeast at about 4.2 foot and 9 seconds. Westerly winds shifting toward the northwest at around 25 to 30 miles per hour. God, look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay. Air temperatures right now falling into the lower 50s. Right now about 52 degrees. Ocean water temperatures 51. We had a high tide this afternoon at between 2 and 3, and then we're looking forward to a low tide tonight between 8 and 9 p.m. Down at Rodanthe, we've got 3 to 4 foot waves and semi-clean conditions, with the southeast swell coming in at 4.3 foot and 9 seconds. Winds out of the west at close to 30 miles per hour. Air temperatures in the lower 50s at around 52 degrees. Ocean water temperatures a bit warmer in Rodanthe at around 54. And at Buxton, 3 to 4 foot waves and semi-clean conditions with some west winds in the range of about 32 miles per hour. Southeasterly swell at 4 foot and 9 seconds. Air temperatures in Buxton right now about 53. Ocean water temperatures 55. And at Frisco, 4 to 7 foot waves and south-southwest swell at around 8.2 foot and 9 seconds. Today, waves started out in the range of about 3 to 7 foot and have reduced in size as we've headed into the afternoon with those strong westerly winds blowing those wave heights down a bit. Temperatures dropping into the 50s throughout the afternoon and into tonight, getting colder. Tomorrow we expect 1 to 2 foot waves and clean conditions with southwesterly winds in the range of 10 to 20 miles per hour. Temperatures expected to be in the mid 50s, but we're looking at a beautiful sunny and calmer day tomorrow. And on Monday, 1 to 2 foot waves, clean conditions light northeasterly winds in the 5 to 8 mile per hour range. Highs in the upper 40s, so cold tomorrow on Monday. And on Tuesday, 2 to 3 foot waves, choppy conditions with 10 to 15 mile per hour northeasterly winds. Rain sweeping in on Tuesday with warmer temperatures in the mid 50s. And then by Wednesday, the winds shift around to the north and become stronger in the range of about 20 to 30 miles per hour. Air temperatures in the high 40s, and rain expected as well. All right, so thank you for joining me for this Saturday, January the 13th session of the OBX wave report. Did get out for a fun session, did catch some waves on the GoPro, so we'll be loading those up for you guys on the Instagrams. Check us out on Instagram at Robert Scribbler, and if we get some really good ones, we'll load them up here on the YouTubes. And also, once again, I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything to protect our glorious coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Those impacts being rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean heat waves, and ocean acidification. The primary solutions to the climate crisis right now being the mass deployment of clean energy. And the mass deployable forms of clean energy that we presently have are wind, water, solar, and electric vehicles. And also, we can do so much else to help ensure the sustainability of the Earth system. But as far as climate action is concerned, mass deployment of clean energy is the center of gravity for the crisis. All right, so thank you for joining me on this glorious evening with some beautiful, majestic waves rolling in off the North Atlantic. And I do hope you guys did get out to enjoy some wonderful surf, and I hope you guys get into the water soon.